Combination skin is a common skin type characterized by an oily T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin, and dry or normal cheeks. This duality presents unique challenges, requiring a skincare routine that addresses both oiliness and dryness. The oily areas are prone to breakouts and enlarged pores, while dry areas may feel tight and flaky. A balanced approach is crucial to avoid exacerbating either condition. Using products that are too harsh can strip the skin of its natural oils, leading to increased dryness and oil production. Conversely, using overly rich products on the oily areas can clog pores. A successful skincare routine for combination skin focuses on gentle cleansing, targeted hydration, and products that control oil production without drying out the skin. Gentle cleansing is paramount for combination skin. Harsh cleansers containing sulfates can strip away essential oils, leading to dryness and increased oil production as the skin overcompensates. Opt for cleansers formulated for combination skin or sensitive skin, often featuring gentle surfactants. Look for ingredients like ceramides or glycerin that help maintain skin's moisture barrier. When cleansing, use lukewarm water, avoiding hot water which can irritate, and massage the cleanser gently onto your skin using circular motions. Rinse thoroughly, ensuring no residue remains. Avoid over-cleansing, as this can disrupt your skin's natural balance. Twice daily cleansing is usually sufficient, once in the morning and once in the evening. Exfoliation is key to removing dead skin cells, unclogging pores, and preventing breakouts, especially for combination skin. However, harsh physical scrubs can irritate sensitive areas. Gentle chemical exfoliants like AHAs, alpha-hydroxy acids, and BHAs, beta-hydroxy acids, are preferable. AHAs, such as glycolic acid and lactic acid, are water-soluble and work on the surface of the skin. BHAs, like salicylic acid, are oil-soluble and penetrate pores to dissolve oil and debris. Start with a low concentration and use the exfoliant 1 to 2 times a week, depending on your skin's tolerance. Always follow up with a moisturizer to soothe and hydrate. Patch test any new product before applying it to your entire face to check for allergic reactions. Overexfoliation can lead to redness, irritation, and damage to the skin's protective barrier. Hydration is crucial for both oily and dry skin types, even though it might seem counterintuitive for oily skin. Proper hydration helps regulate oil production. Dehydrated skin often overproduces oil to compensate for dryness. For combination skin, a layered approach is best. Use a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer on your oily T-zone to prevent clogging pores. For your dry cheeks, opt for a richer, creamier moisturizer to provide deep hydration. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or ceramides, which attract and retain moisture without feeling heavy. Hydrated skin looks healthier, plumper, and more radiant. It also improves skin elasticity and helps to protect against environmental stressors. Remember to apply moisturizer both morning and night for optimal results. Serums offer targeted treatments to address specific skin concerns. For combination skin, this is particularly beneficial. Use acne-fighting serums containing ingredients like salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide on your oily T-zone to combat breakouts. These serums often have a lighter consistency, ideal for oily areas. On drier patches, apply hydrating serums with hyaluronic acid or vitamin E to boost moisture levels. These can be slightly richer in texture. Layering serums correctly maximizes their effectiveness. Apply thinner, water-based serums before thicker, oil-based ones. Start with the serum targeting your biggest concern, e.g., acne treatment, before adding a hydrating serum. Always follow up with moisturizer to lock in the serum's benefits and protect your skin barrier. Many natural ingredients offer excellent benefits for combination skin. Aloe vera, known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties, helps calm irritated skin and reduce redness. Green tea, rich in antioxidants, combats free radical damage and helps control oil production. Chamomile, with its calming and anti-inflammatory effects, soothes sensitive skin and reduces breakouts. Jojoba oil, similar to the skin's natural sebum, provides hydration without clogging pores, balancing oil production and preventing dryness. Incorporating these ingredients into your skincare routine, either through dedicated products or DIY masks, can enhance your skin's health and balance. Always check for potential allergies before introducing new natural ingredients. A simple DIY face mask can be tailored to address the specific needs of combination skin. A mask combining ingredients like aloe vera for soothing and bentonite clay for oil absorption can be incredibly effective. Bentonite clay helps draw out excess oil from the T-zone, while aloe vera soothes and hydrates drier areas. You can also add ingredients like honey for its humectant properties or mashed avocado for extra moisture. To apply, cleanse your face thoroughly. Apply a thin, even layer of the mask, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Follow up with your regular moisturizer. DIY masks are a great way to customize your skincare routine and utilize the benefits of natural ingredients. Remember to perform a patch test before applying any new mixture to your entire face. Daily sunscreen application is crucial, regardless of the weather. UV rays penetrate clouds, causing sun damage even on cloudy days. Sun damage contributes to premature aging, hyperpigmentation, and an increased risk of skin cancer. For combination skin, it's important to choose a lightweight, non-comedogenic sunscreen to avoid clogging pores and causing breakouts. Look for sunscreens labeled as non-comedogenic or oil-free. Broad-spectrum sunscreens protect against both UVA and UVB rays. Apply liberally 15 to 30 minutes before sun exposure and reapply every 2 hours, or more frequently if swimming or sweating. Protecting your skin from the sun safeguards your investment in a healthy skincare routine and prevents long-term damage. Combination skin requires a targeted approach to manage both breakouts and dry patches. For breakouts, focus on spot treatments with benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid applied directly to blemishes. Avoid touching or picking at pimples, as this can worsen inflammation and scarring. For dry patches, use richer moisturizers or hydrating serums specifically on those areas. Avoid harsh exfoliation or over-cleansing, as these can further irritate dry skin. Pay close attention to your skin's reaction to different products and adjust your routine as needed. Listen to your skin's cues. If a product causes irritation, discontinue use. Consistency is key. Maintaining a balanced skincare routine that addresses both concerns simultaneously will lead to clearer, healthier-looking skin over time. Maintaining balanced, clear combination skin requires consistency and attentiveness. Remember the key takeaways: gentle cleansing, targeted hydration with appropriate moisturizers for both oily and dry areas, and regular exfoliation with gentle chemical exfoliants. Incorporate natural ingredients and consider DIY masks for added benefits. Always use a broad-spectrum sunscreen daily. Pay attention to your skin's response to different products. If a product causes irritation, discontinue its use. Listen to your skin, it will tell you what it needs. Be patient and consistent with your skincare routine. With time and dedication, you can achieve a healthy, balanced complexion that reflects your efforts.